Question 41. You should routinely examine your contact tip because answer, to check for wear or blockage that may cause poor electrical contact and an erratic arc. Question 42. Which of the following words best represents an operation in which a welding operator controls a molten weld pool and the weld pool moves transverse to the direction of travel? Answer, weaving. Question 43. Could the sun heat a cylinder to 500 degrees Fahrenheit? Answer, it could increase the pressure by over 100%. Question 44. Which of these does not result in undercutting? Answer, low amperage. Question 45. Nickel and manganese are added to welding rods during brazing to answer, increase the tensile strength of the filler metal. Question 46. What is utilized to determine the inner pass temperature of a welded joint? Answer, temp stick. Question 47. What is the use of a groove angle while welding thick plates? Answer, allow access to the root of the weld. Question 48. Which of the following describes a hot work permit? Answer, authorizes the performance of work potentially posing a fire hazard. Question 49. What percentage range does the carbon content of medium carbon steel fall within? Answer, 0.16% to 0.60%. Question 50. How must the electrode and ground be set up when setting up air carbon arc cutting equipment for gouging? Answer, connect the electrode to positive and the ground to negative. Question 51. Does a well-maintained arc welder offer this electrical hazard? Answer, shock. Question 52. What amperage range is optimal for spray transfer while employing 0.035-inch diameter wire? Answer, 180 to 230 amps. Question 53. Which of the following is not necessary at eye wash stations? Answer, saline solution. Question 54. What must be done to prevent excessive slag from clinging to the cut edges while utilizing the air carbon arc cutting technique? Answer, change the electrode angle. Question 55. Typically, arc welding equipment exceeds 50 volts. Answer, true. Question 56. What advantage does the backstep approach provide when welding a T-joint? Answer, distortion is reduced. Question 57. What is the term for the direction of current flow in a welding circuit? Answer, polarity. Question 58. What is the typical procedure for ensuring an adequate weld deposit in the construction of threaded areas? Answer, remove the worn threads by machining or grinding. Question 59. On heavy welds, two distinct electrodes may be employed to achieve maximal penetration and a high deposition rate. Answer, true. Question 60. Which fuel gas may be used to cut low-carbon steel? Answer, propane and acetylene.